Hello, welcome back to the channel. This week we have two really quite old vintage trucks from Dinky Meccano, and I believe these are both come from the 1950s, made between the 1950s and 1960s. They're not super old, but these are two original unpainted models that I've found quite recently, and let's have a look at these two and see what the difference is in these two fantastic classic models from the 50s. Let's have a look at these two. The first one we have is a Dinky Toys 411 Bedford green truck. It's about 10 centimeters in length, 4 inches. As I said, these are not being repainted or touched up. These are as I found them. Nice original condition. There's a real quality to these old models, which I like. I believe this 411 Bedford green truck was made between 54 and 60, so it wasn't a long-term model. It has proper steel underneath chassis, and obviously a die cast body. It's got a little hook on the back here, which they included. It's got smooth, very smooth real rubber tires, and proper die cast hubs. So there was no plastics at all during this time. It was just all metal. The plastic industry hadn't got going yet. This is a underneath we have Bedford Dinky Toys. So this is the truck. Very nice little model, very sturdy, and weighs about 150 grams. My model came with these two little bags. I'm not sure if these are original or if they were added afterwards, but mine came with two little sacks or bags. The other model we have is a Dinky Toys a service truck or a breakdown truck. This is a model code PM 430, model code 430. It's got a brown front. As I say, this looks completely, it's got chips on it, original unpainted. We've got Dinky service along the side here, and we've got like a slightly painted silver front. This has the same wheels and the tires as the green truck, just red, and the back, my hook is missing here, but maybe I can find one day. But it's the springs here. But as I say, it still works, but my hook has gone AWOL. but it's a very nice little lorry, also very well made, about 12 centimeters long, and also weighs about 150 grams. Both these trucks, I believe, were made in Liverpool by Meccano, or by Dinky Toys, but I think Meccano and Dinky had some cooperation going on back then. It's interesting to look at the underneath the chassis of these two trucks. You can see oh. They had a very similar way of making these models back then. It's a very similar steel sheeting chassis, which they connected the body to. It's a pretty smart way of making things, but interesting, as I said, how the chassis back then were made out of metal, steel sheet, and they obviously mastered the die casting the bodies. Anyway, there's my two models for this week. What do you reckon then? Any questions about these two? They seem to be varying in price of these two. They seem to be going up. Some people have repainted them and reselling them. Some prices are going up, some prices are going down. But I found these for a reasonable price, and happy with them. Very good, genuine models which haven't been messed about with. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and I'll leave you with some good photographs of the models at the end, and give me a thumbs up, guys, and give me a like. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back next week with something else. You be good. Bye bye for now.